That's not good. It's not good at all. Alright, so we got most of the little 2x4s out of there. Now we're just going to take out this big rotten piece of crap. Poured out. That only took all day. But it's out. Now we got to put it back. So we remove one board, and look what's behind it. Isn't that beautiful? You have to ask yourself, in the middle of this project, how deep does this rabbit hole go? Well, it goes that far at least. And right at the point that I was going to cut the lines, push the boat out of the slip, set it on fire, and let it float across the lake, I decided to go fishing. The constant grind of trying to figure out what the fish are going to bite on, casting over and over again, trying to find out where they are in the water column, trying to figure out what kind of lure to use. Do I switch to bait? All of that lets me focus on something else but what my immediate problems are. And eventually, I find a new resolve to handle my problems the way they're supposed to be handled. So we do end up catching some fish here. I just wanted to show you this. You know, Bill, fishing's been kind of tough, man. We need a blessing. Help us out here, brother. Nah, bluegill, I think. Big bluegill. Crick hopper did it. Oh, there he goes. Sit still so I can catch you. Come here. Hopper for the win. Oh yeah. Ooh, got him in the gill a little bit. All right. Okay, buddy. Hope we didn't do you too much damage. There he is. There he is. Oh, that's that might be a bass, Gene. Oh man, this is so much fun on this rod. Oh, there he is. That was beautiful. Come on up here. Coming up here, let us take a look at you. Oh, Harold's gonna be jealous. Oh. There he is. Look at that in the sunlight, huh? What a pretty guy. Let's let him go. There he goes. Of course, he caught his personal best largemouth bass. There it is.
It's my only bass.
No, you caught a bass before.
It's not my only largemouth.
No, you caught a largemouth bass before over there on worms. I'm sure it's windy out here. It's kind of a last minute fish going on. Oh, good size to him. Guarantee that's catfish.
Yeah, it's a cat.
Is it? You see him?
Where do you go see? Yeah, he's at the surface.
Hey,
oh.
Nice little channel cat. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Yes, sir.
Not bad.
Get back in the water, you get.
All I need to do is spend a little bit of time catching some fish, and you know what? It doesn't take long before I can breathe again.